Hey everyone. So, are your Xero email notifications not working? Maybe you're not receiving alerts for invoices, payments, or account activity. Yeah, that can definitely be frustrating, especially if you rely on those notifications to stay updated on your finances. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Xero email notification problem in 2026, and most of these solutions are pretty quick. First, check your notification settings in Xero. Make sure email notifications are enabled for invoices, payments, and other important updates. Next, confirm that your email address is correct and verified in your Xero account profile. If the email is incorrect or unverified, notifications may not be delivered. Sometimes notifications are actually sent but end up in your spam or junk folder. Check those folders and mark Xero emails as safe if needed. To prevent future issues, add Xero's email address to your safe sender or whitelist. This helps ensure notifications reach your inbox. If you use custom filters or inbox rules, make sure they're not blocking or moving Xero emails automatically. Try triggering a new notification, like sending a test invoice or updating a transaction. This can confirm whether email notifications are working again. If notifications still aren't working, contact Xero support. They can check your account settings and email delivery logs. And that's it. Most Xero email notification problems can be fixed by checking your notification settings, verifying your email address, or reviewing your inbox filters. If this guide helped you, feel free to explore more quick troubleshooting tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.